Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple tutorial on how to find archived emails in Outlook using your PC browser, especially with the latest updates. Whether you're looking to retrieve important messages or simply organize your inbox, this guide will help you access your archived emails effortlessly. First, open your browser and log into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface of your mailbox. Pay attention to the top left corner of the screen. This is where the navigation tools are located. Next, click on the three horizontal lines at the top of the page. This icon is often referred to as the hamburger menu, and it's your gateway to accessing various folders and features within Outlook. Once clicked, it will expand a sidebar displaying all available folders in your account. From this sidebar, locate and click on the folder labeled Archive. This is where all your archived emails are stored. Once inside, you'll be able to view all messages that have been moved to this folder. If you need to find a specific email, use the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in keywords or details related to the email, and Outlook will filter results for you. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your archived emails in Outlook using your browser. This straightforward method ensures you can quickly retrieve important information whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and happy email organizing.